In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit points of a picture in PowerPoint. This is a really handy trick if you want to customize the shape and angles of your images to fit your presentation perfectly. So, let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you're using a recent version, as the interface may look slightly different depending on your update. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation where you'd like to edit your picture. If you don't have one ready, create a new blank slide so you can easily follow along. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. This tab contains tools for adding different types of content such as tables, charts, and shapes. Click on Shapes, and from the drop-down menu, choose a rectangle, then click and drag on your slide to draw the shape at your preferred size. Now we're going to fill this rectangle with a picture. To do that, select the rectangle you just drew, then go to the Shape Fill option in the top toolbar. From the menu, select Picture, and then choose from a file. Browse your computer, find the image you want to use, and click Insert. Your picture will now appear neatly inside the rectangle shape. Next, we'll edit the picture's outline by adjusting its points. Make sure the shape is selected, then go to the Edit Shape option in the toolbar and click Edit Points. You'll now see several small black handles along the edges of your image. These are the edit points that allow you to change the shape manually. Click and drag any of these points to reshape your image. You can stretch corners, curve edges, or create completely new outlines to match your design idea. Take your time experimenting with these points to create the exact look you want. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit points of a picture in PowerPoint. This feature is perfect for customizing visuals, creating creative layouts, or giving your slides a professional and unique touch. Thanks for watching. Yeah, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and design tutorials.